Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Thread. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for the Thread, open that application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner and click on edit profile and click on your name. So here you can see that you can only change your name and username from Instagram. So you simply need to go back and open Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner and click on edit profile, and from here you can change your name. So once you change from here, it will automatically change from Thread application as well. So this is the process by which you can change your name from Thread application. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.